Good afternoon. My name is Oscar Leonardo Rios Ospina. My presentation, Unit 2, Step 3, Identify Technology Value. And tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gomez, and date 5 March 2021. Development of this activity consists of the development of a synoptic table depending of the faculty select. In this case, we select by vote and difficult select in vote is lack of information on the market and commercialization channel. Cause lack of market study and technologic innovation the digital platforms and lack of advertising and digital marketing and consequence ignored supply demand and direct competition from the positioned market, and the vast majority of the market platforms which capture a large number of customers more easily than at physical points because of their scope and ease of acquisition, wage generation, cost reduction, and resource optimization. See recommendation. We must look for new alternatives, though market and publish new tools to our customers to be at the forefront of development and innovation that is currently impacting the world. And two recommendation develop digital store, social network, electronics payments to market edge products in order to reduce costs and achieve the greater reach of customers and visitors by promoting digital marketing as a tool of development and innovation. Is finished. Thank you very much.